This 2015 Winnebago Destination 36RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, LP detector, microwave, awning, refrigerator, oven, and 108-gallon fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Winnebago Destination 36RL is 12,320 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.